Thank you for joining me. This video is going to demonstrate how to log in to Environment Online using the West Australian Relationship Authorization Manager, or WARAM. Environment Online uses WARAM to allow representatives to act on behalf of a business or a person. Please read all of the instructions on the page and take note of the current services. At the moment, only Environment Online is a current service. There is a list of frequently asked questions and a user manual for further information. Select Access the WARAM to proceed. To sign into WARAM, you must select Sign In using another account. Do not enter an email or password. Selecting Sign In using another account will utilize your MyGov ID. Select the digital identity to log in. When the identity page opens, select MyGov ID. In the MyGov ID page, enter your MyGov ID email. Then select Login. Open the MyGov ID application on your phone. Accept or enter the code that's displayed on the screen. When you are successfully logged in, your dashboard will display. Please ensure that your name is correct, as this must match your authorization request. Select the My Authorizations tab. This will display any authorizations current or pending. The My Entities tab will show you any entities that you are currently in. Select Request Authorization to commence your request. You're now about to request authorization to act for an entity. Make sure that your name and your email are as per your application. Select Next when you are ready to proceed. Use the search box to search for available entities, either using the ABN, ACN, or the name. When the correct entity appears, select that one. Once you've confirmed the details are correct, then select Next. Make sure that the service you are selecting is Environment Online. Then select your authorization type. There are two authorization types, a service administrator or a service user. If you are authorizing a service administrator, you can access online services on behalf of entities and create or manage authorities and other users. If you are authorized as a service user, you can access online services on behalf of entities. Enter the start date of your request. Then, if applicable, enter an end date. If you do not have an end date, select the No End Date button. Then select Next to continue. Please take the time to read this page. This page you also need to select and declare that you understand and accept the declaration, and then also consent to sharing of your personal information. Select Submit to continue. When done, your authorization request has been submitted. You will receive an email when your request has been processed. Select Continue to return to your dashboard. The My Authorizations tab will show you your pending requests and any authorizations. You have the option to either view or withdraw your request. Once you've received confirmation that your request has been processed, you're now ready to sign into Environment Online to complete the process. It's important to note here that swapping between the WARAM page and Environment Online, you must close your browser. Select Login. Choose the I am representing an entity login option. Then select Login of the digital identity page. Select MyGovID. It's important to note here that the identity strength within your MyGov application must be set as standard as minimum. Enter your MyGov email. Then log in. Open the MyGov ID application on your phone, accept or enter the code. Now choose the entity that you are logging in as representing. You can view if you wish. If you don't select the entity, you will get this error message. You do need to select an entity before proceeding. Select Continue. Please make sure that you do read the terms of use and the privacy policy before selecting Agree and Continue. Enter your address and contact details. The email address you add here can be your work email. It does not need to be your personal email or your MyGov email. Once your details are entered, select Send Verification Code. You will receive an email to that email address that you entered. Enter the verification code that you've received. Then select Verify Code. If the code is correct, you can now select Create to create your online account. At this stage, your details are being validated and it can take some time, so please be patient. Once successfully logged in, you can now see the role that's been approved, the email address that you've selected for further confirmation, and the party that you are acting on behalf of. To confirm details, select your profile. You can then update or amend your contact details. You can choose to update your position, your email, your contact details, address, or edit the party details. If you select Edit Party Details, you can edit some details as required. Select My Environment to return to your applications and your current projects. Congratulations, you are now ready to act on behalf of an entity.